Hi, this is from Sose University. This is a job opening for the technology lead assistant manager for the EXL company for the Haryana location. They are looking for hybrid mode and 2 to 5 years of experience candidate. The second technology is database administrator for the Jobcrow India Private Limited. The location will be in India. That's New Delhi. The qualification it is graduate BTech M.C.A relevant certification. The location is Delhi. The minimum 10 years of experience in MySQL community and enterprises database. The third technology is lead database administrator for Jobscrow India Private Limited, the New Delhi location. And they are looking for 10 to 15 years of experience candidate in Oracle and SQL and no SQL form. And the fourth technology is software engineer specialist for the .NET and C Spark technologies. The company name is FIS. The location will be Pune, Maharashtra. The education required is Bachelor of Computers Engineer. And the experience needed is 8 to 12 years. The fifth technology is SQL DBA. The Globex digital company. The company location is USA, and your working location will be in India, Mumbai. And they are looking for 12 plus years of experience as a compulsory, and the working location will be in Mumbai. And all the job description will be given in the video description, so you can look over there. And the links will be given in the video description, so you can apply from there. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.